Hey guys, Define Freedom here with another I Got Gunpla. And if you watched my last one, you should know what this is. So, this is a very big box. And from the shipping information, this box weighed 17 pounds. Here we go. Sorry if you can't see anything right now, but this is really good. And get this out of the way. There it is. Perfect grade Strike Freedom Gunpla. I'll give you a quick box tour. Robert 184 was actually right. There is like a glittery effect onto the box art. Looks really good. Yeah, so I'll stop it here. I'm going to debox this after I get off work. I'm on my lunch break right now, so I'll see you guys soon.